In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your homepage in Shopify. This is a great way to showcase your best sellers or new arrivals right when visitors land on your site, making it easier for them to explore what you have to offer. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your dashboard. Here you'll see a menu with various options. Click on Online Store. A little submenu will pop up underneath, and from there you'll want to select Themes. This is where you can manage and customize the look of your online store. Now that you're on the Themes page, look for the Customize button. This will take you into the Theme Editor, a powerful tool where you can adjust the layout and content of your Shopify store to fit your brand's aesthetic and needs. Once you're in the Homepage Editor, you'll notice a section on the left that lists all the parts of your homepage. We're going to add a new section here, so go ahead and click on Add Section. A menu will pop up with a variety of options for different types of content you can add. For our purposes, select Featured Collection. This will allow you to display a selection of products right on your homepage. After selecting the Featured Collection section, you'll need to choose which products you want to highlight. Click on Select Collection. This will take you to your Collections page where you can see all the collections you've set up in your store. Choose the collection that best represents what you want to feature on your homepage. This could be your newest arrivals, your best sellers, or a themed collection for a sale or season. Once you have selected your collection, you'll have the option to adjust the number of products shown. This is handy if you want to keep things looking clean and not too cluttered. Depending on your theme and style, you might choose to show just a few products or a larger selection. Now that your section is set up, you can arrange where it appears on the homepage. Simply click and drag the section up or down to place it exactly where you want it. This flexibility allows you to prioritize what your visitors see first, ensuring your most important products get the attention they deserve. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to click Save. This ensures all your changes are live and visible to your customers. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently showcase your products right on your homepage, making it easier for customers to find what they're looking for and boosting your chances of making a sale. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Shopify tips and tricks.